Did you know that thyme has been revered for its medicinal properties for centuries? Ancient Egyptians used it in embalming practices. Greeks and Romans associated it with courage and vitality. This fragrant herb, with its tiny, powerful leaves, holds a treasure trove of health benefits. Let's explore the wonders of thyme and how it can enhance your well-being. Thyme, scientifically known as Thymus vulgaris, is a perennial herb in the mint family. This aromatic plant is native to the Mediterranean region and has been used for both culinary and medicinal purposes for thousands of years. Its distinct earthy flavor adds depth to various dishes, while its potent compounds offer a range of health-promoting properties. Thyme is a rich source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, manganese, and copper. It also contains powerful antioxidants, such as thymol, carvacrol, and rosmarinic acid, which contribute to its numerous health benefits. Throughout history, thyme has been used to address various ailments, from digestive issues to respiratory problems. Today, scientific research is beginning to unravel the mechanisms behind thyme's traditional uses, confirming its potential in promoting health and well-being. Thyme is more than just a culinary herb. It's a versatile plant with a long history of medicinal use. Its essential oil, extracted from the leaves and flowering tops, is highly concentrated in beneficial compounds. These compounds contribute to thyme's antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Thyme oil is often used in aromatherapy to promote relaxation, relieve stress, and improve sleep quality. It is also a common ingredient in natural cleaning products due to its antiseptic and deodorizing properties. When applied topically, diluted thyme oil can help soothe skin irritations, fight acne, and promote wound healing. However, it's important to note that thyme oil is very potent and should always be diluted in a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil, before applying to the skin. Internal use of thyme oil is generally not recommended without the guidance of a qualified healthcare professional. Whether used in cooking, aromatherapy, or topical applications, thyme offers a wide range of potential benefits for both our physical and mental well-being. Our bodies are constantly exposed to free radicals. These unstable molecules can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Thyme, rich in antioxidants, can help combat this oxidative stress. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, protecting our cells from damage. This protective effect is vital for maintaining overall health and preventing chronic diseases. Studies show that thyme's antioxidants, particularly thymol and carvacrol, exhibit strong free radical scavenging activity. These compounds help protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress, which has been linked to various health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Incorporating thyme into your diet can contribute to your daily intake of antioxidants and support your body's natural defense mechanisms. Whether you enjoy it fresh, dried, or as an essential oil, thyme provides a natural and flavorful way to boost your antioxidant intake and promote optimal health. Inflammation is a natural process that helps our bodies heal. However, chronic inflammation can be harmful. Thyme possesses anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the body. This property makes it beneficial for conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Research suggests that thyme's anti-inflammatory effects are attributed to its ability to inhibit the production of certain inflammatory markers in the body. These markers, such as prostaglandins and leukotrienes, play a role in the inflammatory response. By reducing their production, thyme can help dampen inflammation and alleviate discomfort. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms involved, preliminary studies suggest that thyme may offer potential benefits for managing inflammatory conditions. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using thyme or any other herbal remedy to address specific health concerns. Respiratory relief. Thyme for coughs and congestion. Thyme has a long history of use in traditional medicine for respiratory ailments. It acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen phlegm and mucus in the respiratory tract. This makes it beneficial for coughs, colds, bronchitis, and other respiratory infections. Thyme's expectorant properties are mainly attributed to its volatile oil components, particularly thymol. Thymol has been shown to have antiseptic and antispasmodic effects, which can help relax the airways, reduce inflammation, and clear mucus. This can provide relief from cough, congestion, and other symptoms associated with respiratory infections. Thyme tea, made by steeping fresh or dried thyme in hot water, is a popular natural remedy for coughs and colds. Adding honey and lemon to the tea can further soothe the throat and boost its immune-boosting properties. However, it's important to note that thyme tea should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment, especially in severe cases. Antimicrobial action: thyme against infections. Thyme's essential oil contains potent antimicrobial compounds. These compounds, primarily thymol and carvacrol, can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi. This makes thyme a valuable natural remedy for fighting infections. Studies have demonstrated thyme oil's effectiveness against a wide range of bacteria, including those responsible for food poisoning, skin infections, and respiratory infections. It has also shown promising results against certain fungi, such as Candida albicans, which can cause yeast infections. The antimicrobial properties of thyme oil make it a potential natural alternative to synthetic antibiotics, especially for topical use. However, more research is needed to determine its efficacy and safety for treating infections in humans. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using thyme oil or any other herbal remedy for medicinal purposes. Culinary uses: adding thyme to your diet. Thyme's distinct, earthy flavor makes it a popular culinary herb worldwide. It complements a wide range of dishes, from savory meats and vegetables to soups, stews, and sauces. Adding fresh or dried thyme to your cooking not only enhances the flavor, but also provides potential health benefits. Thyme pairs well with other herbs and spices, such as rosemary, oregano, garlic, and bay leaves. It's often used in Mediterranean, Italian, and French cuisines, adding depth and complexity to various dishes. You can use thyme to season roasted chicken, fish, potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, and more. When using fresh thyme, strip the leaves from the stem before adding them to your dish. Dried thyme is more concentrated in flavor, so use it sparingly. Incorporating thyme into your diet is a simple and delicious way to enjoy its potential health benefits. Other potential benefits. Exploring further. While more research is needed, preliminary studies suggest that thyme may offer other potential health benefits. Some of these potential benefits include boosting mood. Thyme's aroma has been shown to have mood-boosting effects and may help alleviate stress and anxiety. Improving cognitive function. Some studies suggest that thyme may have neuroprotective properties and could potentially improve memory and cognitive function. Supporting heart health. Thyme's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to heart health by protecting against oxidative stress and inflammation. Promoting hair growth. Thyme oil is sometimes used topically to promote hair growth and address scalp conditions. It's important to note that these potential benefits require further scientific investigation. More research is needed to confirm these effects and understand the mechanisms involved. Seeking professional advice. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet, lifestyle, or health regimen. Stay informed: your health journey. Your health is a journey, and staying informed is crucial. Continue exploring reliable sources of information to make informed decisions about your well-being. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health.